Hey everybody, I haven't done a tower update in a little while, so here it is for today. So I'm going to show you guys what I've got going and we'll check on the progress and see how it is. So let's check on tower 2 to start with. So here we are, this is string beans. You can see it's labeled string beans. And these are starting to grow and they're looking pretty good. I don't see any beans coming out yet. They're just regular string beans, I guess. So there's not much happening on that one. We'll move down to the red peppers. I don't think I have any red peppers in there now. I don't. So we'll move on to the tomatoes. And so here's my tomatoes. I had to cut the roots. I pulled this one out yesterday and cut the roots because the roots were just going so far down into everything else. They were just making a mess. So we're going to see if that kills it or not. I mean, I've got a dead couple of leaves up here, but other than that, I think we're pretty much okay. And then we've got zucchini are starting to look really like nice plants growing here. I don't know when it's going to do anything else. I'll see. Cucumbers, I just have one cucumber here right now, I think. Is there another one around there? Yeah, there's another one there. It's very small. Those are growing super slow. My strawberries as well are growing ridiculously slow, but this one here is starting to do something, so that's kind of nice looking. Hopefully you can see that right in there. And then snap peas, there's no snap peas right now. I just kept getting mush with my peas as I was trying to do them, so I actually did it a different way. I'll show you in a minute. But here's my flowers. We've got some flowers growing on tower 2. Romaine lettuce, I don't know what's going on with that little sprout there, but this one's going good. Uh, I don't think this is romaine. I think this is another third time's a charm. I've been trying to get this to work now. I've videoed this 3 times. Okay, so this one here is not romaine. This is another zucchini. My Simpson is getting large and in charge. Look at that thing. I don't know what I have to do to prune that or what I need to do. These other Simpsons look like normal kind of lettuces. The butter lettuce here is looking pretty good. This head of lettuce is looking amazing. And then we've got another head of lettuce over on this side that looks even prettier. Look how pretty that is. That's nice. And there's no spinach currently, but oh well. So let's go check outside at the plants out there and see how those are doing. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so here we are. So this one here, we have our tomato plant here. And the tomato plant's looking amazing, but there's no tomatoes yet. So not sure what we need to do. Actually, there's 2 tomato plants growing there. I can see 2 roots in there. And then we have a flower and another flower in that same pot. So those look nice. So let's go back inside here and I'll show you guys the seeds and the update on those. Here's all my other tower pieces you can see there. These are all the extras now because those are all the unlabeled ones except for the strawberry on the bottom. So if I want to grow more strawberries, I have an extra segment ready to go. But okay, so back up here. So now I've kind of changed around this a little bit here. I've kind of taken off the covers on these, but let's see what these look like here. I'll show you. On this one here, we have a romaine, 2 romaines that are kind of growing, but the second one here looks like it might have bent over a little bit. We'll see if it comes back. Butter lettuce right there. 3 different Simpson lettuces here, and some strawberries that are just little sprouts, but they're still green, so hopefully they will turn into strawberries. And the next one here, we have our flowers, which are just doing great. All of those seem to be growing to do something, except for one here is bent over. Whatever this thing is here, a little bent over, probably dead. Okay, and the spinach is nothing, so I think we're just not cold enough for spinach right now, so I don't think we're going to get spinach. And then let's see, way back here, we have, sorry, I just took the lid off. Let's see if I can pull this out without killing all my plants. Okay, so in here we have tomato. We have a few tomatoes starting to grow up here. So those are going to be good. So I only have a couple of good tomatoes there. Cucumbers, I have 1 cucumber that seems to be sprouting. Don't know what happened with the other ones. I guess nothing happened. And then the red peppers looks like maybe something starting in there, but who knows? So we'll see if anything happens on those. It's been a little while, so might just not be working. Okay, and then another one here. What is this? This looks like these are all carrots. Okay, so these are all my carrots. And these are all sprouted. Just do something here. You can see I'm excited to put those in. Those I'm going to put in the garden outside. Well, I may actually start off with them inside here and put them in the tower until it starts to grow some, a little bit bigger, and then move them to the garden at the house, the raised bed garden that is in dirt. So eventually those will hopefully end up in dirt and turn into 12 carrots. And the last one I have here are my snap peas. I'm trying to do snap peas again, so let's see. So the last one's turned to mush, but this time I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are actually looking like something. So how exciting is that? These are actually starting to look like sprouts. And then this one here are some super hot red peppers that I was given. They're hot ass little peppers is what they're called, hot ass little peppers. And I was given those by the landlord here at the office just today. So I just put those in. So those are not going to sprout yet, but I'm trying them out and we'll see what happens with those. I'm actually going to try them in here. And I'm also going to try them in the paper towel method to see if I can get some legs on those to get those started. So that's the update, and it is July 20th. So hopefully that's exciting enough for all of y'all. So that's it. Nothing on the printer currently. I did print some tissue box covers. Well, and I don't think they've been noticed yet at the house. So we'll see. But okay, that's it. Take care, everyone. Bye.